All right, everyone. The wind's starting to pick up. That's about it. Look, Apollo's out here. The wind chimes are chiming. Can you imagine how pretty it's going to sound? When we got 70-mile-an-hour winds. I don't think it'll be as bad inside the screened in, but you never know. It might. If one of these screens rip, it really might. He's chasing a lizard.
Oh. Watch it, I might run out. Oh, he got it.
All right, guys. Sounds like there's a plane in here. I didn't think any planes were supposed to be flying. It's still early. You see what time it is. It's almost 10 p.m. Do you hear the plane? Is that a plane? I'm not seeing it. If it is, it's flying above the clouds. I would not be flying in this mess. No way. We're supposed to have a full moon, but you're not going to be able to see it. Tomorrow it's supposed to rain 90% all day. Hopefully staghorn fern out there makes it. There's Louie. See how it just calmed down. Paolo, did you get a lizard? Did you get a lizard? Nah, you're not coming out. No, no, no. No, no, no. You like it out here with the breeze? Paolo, Paolo. What, baby? You know a storm's coming? Are you scared? Are you scared? Paolo, look up here. What? You're not. He wants to go outside. I mean, completely out. You ain't going out. I drained some of the pool today, guys. It was pretty high. I drained it down to, I don't know if you guys can see it or not. Oh, my shadow is in the way. Just right below those blue things up over there. So that way, if we get a lot of rain, I may have to come out and drain it some more. If we get a lot of rain, I don't want the pool to overflow, because if it overflows like abundantly into the foundation, that might mess things up. Yeah, you can't see it there. Apollo, you still following me around? It's like, yes, please open the door so I can go. I have this gazebo. I did take the center out. So I don't know if I showed you guys that earlier. I took the center out and just getting ready. I left the outside on only because this thing is hard to take off. And I figured if I took the center out, the air would just go up through the middle, hopefully. And if not, well, I guess it's gonna go. I got this leg strapped to the barbecue grill. That leg's strapped to a propane tank. This leg's strapped to a propane tank. So I brought some of the flowers in. So we'll just have to see. Brought a bunch of junk in here. Anyways, that's all that's going on right now. 10 p.m. What's up, everyone? It is 2:12 a.m. It is raining pretty good. I have not been outside yet. I've been trying to work on other videos. But you can hear the rain. This is the where the air flows out to the roof. You can hear the rain right here. I'm going to let you hear that, and then we're going to walk out front. Hopefully you can hear it, because this camera is not, it doesn't pick up sound as good as the other camera. Let's walk out front. All right, guys, before we go out, look at the surveillance camera. Let me find you one. See which one it's on. I'm trying to get the mouse pad. All right, there is the front porch. That's enclosed, though. There's out there by Haley's car. I'm going to take you guys out, somewhat out. It's raining pretty hard. I don't know what happened. The whole camera went off. Anyways, that's out there by Haley's car. It's raining pretty good. Let me find another good one. Let's look out back here. That one's out back. So you can see the trees are blowing pretty good. Let's walk out front. This one here is on the side of the house. I'm trying to, well, let's just walk outside. Oh, it's starting to come in and flood right here. Look at that. Oh no, I told Tyler we needed, oh my God, it's really flooding right here. I told Tyler we needed sandbags. He didn't think we was gonna need them. But, I mean, I don't know how much you can see, but it's totally flooded right in here. It's, ooh, it's raining pretty good. I want to take you guys out by the pool. And maybe we'll go out the side of the house too. But, I mean, like, this is close to the house. You can't see it too well. It's not blowing too hard. But it is windy. I'm trying to see what time it is. You hear the thunder and lightning. It is 2:16 a.m. and the storm is here. God, this is all wet too. But it's coming in. I hope it's not coming in the garage. Let's go check. All right, guys. What a mess in here. It's hot in here. I don't see any rain. Nope, it's not coming in here. Not yet, anyways. All right. Let's look out this side door. Louis wants out, but he is. It's not like he's gonna. I put that thing there when I had the door open earlier. Oh, wow. Kayaks are still there. Oh my goodness. It's coming down pretty good. But I don't see, like, there's a wind chime right there. I don't see the wind blowing that hard. I was so worried about these canopies that I took them down. All this stuff is still covered up. All right, let's go in the backyard. All right, guys, let's go. Come on, Lou. No Apollo. It's hard to catch Apollo. All right, so this is what I was putting in when the stupid ladder. Now I thought Henriette had got me this ladder, and she got me the broken ladder. So when I stepped down backwards on the bottom step, that ladder was already broken. I went flying. But this is what I was putting in. I was putting them in sideways, the windows. Well, my plants sure needed watered. So they're all getting plenty of water. Oh. I think the gutter up there might be over full or something. Maybe there's leaves in it. That gutter's hard to get to because of the screened in area. You can't like step in, you know what I mean? You can't step in that area. Anyways. Oh my gosh. There's a lot of rain, guys, because I drained the pool some yesterday. And I drained it down below. I don't know if you guys can see this, but I drained it down below those blue things. Where's my finger at? Yeah, I drained it down below those blue things. And now it is more than halfway above them. I hope that it does not overflow. And if it does, I hope that it goes off the sides and not into, and not into the foundation. I will have to get out there and drain some more. Oh my gosh, I knew I should have, once the pump turned off this evening, I knew I should have drained a bunch more. I mean, it's gonna rain all night, all day tomorrow. I don't even know if I'm gonna be able to get out here and drain some of it. I have to go on that side, I have to open up the pump thing, and then I have to turn the pump on. Oh, that's frogs. I'm like, what is that? You hear the frogs? Oh my gosh. I can't believe the pool's gonna be overflowed in the morning. Yeah, I can't get out there tonight. Everybody's asleep. Angie and the boys never even came over. Henriette's in there sleeping. Haley's sleeping. Tyler's sleeping. I'm the only one awake. If something was to happen, I would lay out there. And as much as I fall down, I don't think I'm going out there to drain the pool. But it sure looks like it needs it. Dang. Yep. I mean, it's slowing down. You feel it? It's barely raining. See, the pump's off. It's on that side. And I would have to open it up and drain it some. So it could be raining outside more. It doesn't necessarily come through that screen as hard. Yeah, I don't know. There's nothing I can do tonight. I don't think. Just gonna have to wait until tomorrow morning and hope I don't sleep too late. Because if I do, I feel like all that water is gonna come here and go all the way back into the foundation. And that is not gonna be a good thing. Well, at least the gazebo is still here. I did take the center out of it. I meant to come back out here and drain some more. I told Henriette earlier, I said, yeah, I said, after the pump goes off, I'll come back out and drain some more water. And I just totally forgot. But it's barely raining. I mean, I should just go do it. But what if lightning strikes or something? See, there's the pump right there. What do you guys think? You think it's going to be okay till tomorrow? God, that door slammed on me and scared the crap out of me. You think it's going to be okay till tomorrow? I just feel like it hasn't been very long that it's already been raining and it's that full. Louie, come on. Let's go, Louie. Where'd he go? Louie. He must have went back. He must be up there by the door. He's not coming out. I could turn the light on in the pool. But this is all it's doing. And it's like 2:30 in the morning. What is it? 2:25. There's Miss Bella. There's Louie. You want to go outside, Louie? Come on, let's go outside. He's like, nope. I hope he didn't just pee under there somewhere. You gotta go pee-pee? Come on. Let's go. Come with Mommy. Let's go outside. Come on, Louie. Come on. Let's go outside. Come on, let's go pee-pee. He's like, I am not going pee-pee. Come on, Louie. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Let's go outside. Good boy. Come on. Come on. I know you don't want to, but let's do it anyways. Let's just go pee-pee real quick. Stay. 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 Let's go. Mommy, go too. Go pee-pee. Real quick. Hurry up. Go pee-pee. Listen to the frogs. Go pee-pee. No, go pee. Come on. Lift your leg. Go pee-pee. Right there. Go pee-pee. He'll go fake it. Lift that leg. Go pee-pee. Come on, go pee-pee. He's trying to find himself a spot and he can't find one. Come on, Louie, hurry. The wind's picking up. Go pee-pee. Hurry. Come on, buddy, go. Yeah, I could have left the tops on these things if this is all we're getting. Good boy. Go pee-pee. Good boy. Good boy. Come on. Let's go. Good job. Yay, Louie. So that's about all it's doing. Hopefully we don't get too much more. You guys can see that, where it's at now. And it was down below those blue things. I'll need chlorine in here tomorrow because I drained water and now we just got all of it back in rainwater. All right, I'm gonna finish working on a video and I will bring you guys back out in a little while and we'll see what it's doing. All right, everyone, it's 5 o'clock in the morning. Oh, it's hot out here. Holy crap. It doesn't even sound like it's raining. It just sounds like it's wind. Yeah, the water's dried up. Oh. I know you guys can't even see out here. But there's no rain now. None whatsoever. Driveway's not flooded. Thank you, Lord. All right, let's go out back. Come on, Louie, you want to go outside? Come on, Louie. Let's go outside. Louie. Come on, Lou. All right, guys. It's windy. Look, no rain. We might have been spared if anything. I know they're saying that tomorrow there's chances of tornadoes. Guys, there was a tornado in Brooksville, close to Angie's house. I was so worried. I couldn't get a hold of Angie. I couldn't get a hold of Marcus. I just now, at 5 a.m., got a hold of little Tyler. And he said that they were okay. He said it's not even raining at their house. So then I just told him I was going outside. It's not raining here no more either. Let's see what the pool, how much the pool filled up. That's about the same as it was earlier. I mean, the wind's still kind of blowing. And I'm glad it slowed down because the pool would have overflowed. That's for sure. "5 a.m. Just some wind. No rain. Alright, I'm gonna go to bed. I'll see you guys whenever I wake up. It's not really doing nothing. Everybody else went to bed a long time ago. I should have went to bed too. I've been working on videos to get them out for you guys. Alright. See you tomorrow. Well, today. Later on today. Oh, shit. Look, guys. Dang, the wind had this door. It's raining again, and it is windy. The wind had the door. It's like I couldn't open it. It's hot out there, too. Oh no, the pool's really getting full. See what it feels like when we open this door. It's so hot out here. The wind don't seem to be blowing as hard out here. I'm worried about that swimming pool. Guys, I'm having dizzy spells. Every time I try to lay down, my head's been hurting all evening, ever since I fell yesterday. And now I'm having dizzy spells, and everybody's sleeping. So now it is about, I think it's about 6. Let's see. It's 6:19 a.m., guys. Look at the sky. So we are getting effects of it, and I know that the hurricane's like, I think it's above us, but it might not be yet. I think they said it was going to hit around 8 a.m., so I don't know. But I'm going back in the house. Alright guys, it's starting to get daylight. It's 7:24 a.m. and it said lightning is in our vicinity. It's raining again. I don't want to be too close to the oh, look at that. Look at that plant. It fell over. Too much rain. That one fell over too. Oh wow. Yep, my plants are kicking the bucket. Can't wait for tomorrow, and I'll go out and make you guys another video. Let's go in the backyard. All right, everyone. Here's the backyard. A couple of my trees are down, or my plants are down in the front yard. The pool, oh my gosh, look how full the pool is. I still haven't slept. It's 7:26. I thought it was said 7:34. It's 7:26. Maybe it was 7:24 earlier, 2 minutes ago. Oh wow. That's crazy. It's getting windy. It's a tornado watch for 8.5 hours. So all day pretty much. Tornado watch. Well, that gazebo made it. Didn't fly away. Door's coming back. It's like, shut me, close me. All right, well, that's it for now. I gotta get some sleep, guys. I'll see you in a few hours.